Greetings my friends, welcome back to another NTrade video, and today we have a banger for you. Today we're going to be looking into a brand new tool that we have just released, and it's already showing insane results. And for those who've been in my stream yesterday, you know that I have lost quite a bit of money yesterday. It was one of the worst trading days that I've had in quite some time. We traded with Evo trade algorithm, we traded with our own technical analysis on stream, and unfortunately the market just didn't respect us at all. Every single trade closed in loss in the last couple of seconds, and we took a lot of losses right there. So we are back to $73 and it's time to build up the account. And what better showcase of a tool can I provide you if not trading from complete beginning? So this is exactly what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you what this tool is capable of doing for you, what features it has. So follow me, let's go into the market. But if you want to trade with these tools and many others, make sure to reach out to me on Telegram at NTrade_pro, or simply click the link in the description below. I appreciate you, but now let's go into the market and let's see if we can grind up our balance. Let's go. All right, so here we have the tool Nexus Vision. So first thing that you need to know, you have both demo and real accounts. So if you want to test the robot before going into real market, make sure to do that. You have many things in here. First of all, you have a trading robot. This tool is able to analyze the market within seconds and place your trades completely automated. So like quant, but much better. You select the asset you want to trade with from the list right here. You can put the amount, you select the amount that you want to put. You have many time frames to select from 5 seconds to 15 minutes. Select any time frame and it's going to execute those trades, and you can select the strategy that the robot will use to analyze the market. Either AI analysis, it's going to use all the tools, it's incorporated with a lot of indicators that it will use to analyze the market. You have specific ones like trend following, so it's only going to trade alongside the trend. Reversals, it's going to look for the crucial structures in the market and try to execute reversal trades. Momentum, scalping, breakout, range trading in between ranges, pattern trading, going to snipe the patterns. RSI strategy, MACD, you can select what you want the robot to trade with. And of course the trade count, you can select from 1 to 500 trades and the robot will execute that amount of trades. And now we get to the meat of it, the martingale trade. So first of all, the multiplier, you select the multiplier for your martingale trade in here. So if you want a double up of the next trade, so for example you place $10 right with a trade and your martingale is 2.2, so that means your next trade is going to be $22 in case the first one fails. Now if the second one fails, your next trade is going to be $48.4, and so on and so on. It's just going to multiply your trade by 2.2 every single time, all the way to 1,000, which you can also change. So for example, you don't want it to go over 20, you can do that. For example, just put in 20 here, put $1 here, and it's going to execute these trades until it reaches $20 and then stop, or until it gets a win, right? So this is an amazing tool. We're going to get back to it, but I want to show you other features as well. So we go to assisted here. Assisted trading is you receive a signal based on the asset that you select. The robot also analyzes the market for you, completely automated, does everything, but you're gonna have to place a signal by yourself. So for example, I want United States dollar OTC, right? I select $10 for trade, or $50 per trade, or I can put like $500 in here per trade, right? And I just press get AI signal, and there you go. We have United States dollar OTC, 68% confidence, $400 potential profit open. It's gonna open the trade automated. You don't have to be on pocket option. It's gonna just place the trade through this robot. So this is how you can do it. Then we have manual trading. You can place the trades from within right here. You again select the settings, select the time frame, the amount you want to place. You can place from here. You have AI recommendation here. Once you press get AI signal, you can see right there we have AI recommendations sell position on United States dollar, Japanese yen. Confidence is 60%. You can see RSI is at 64, and we have a bearish trend, so you can enter a trade from here. It gives you how much profit you're gonna make. It has all the settings in here as well. This is what the tool that literally provides you with everything can do for you. We have strategies in here. This is trading with strategies. You have many strategies. All of these strategies are used in the robot. So this robot, you can see right here, uses the same strategy. So if you want just to trade with a specific strategy, you can do that as well. And it's actually gonna take you to the robot once you press it, and it's gonna apply this strategy to your trades. And of course, you also have education in here. If you want to learn about how to trade by yourself, you can do that within the robot. You have lessons in here, risk management, type of assets, complete basics, but also a more in-depth type of learning, and we're going to expand on it as well more. We're going to add more things. You can also learn about the robot in here. So all of these things are available within one simple tool. And if Quant places the trades in one direction, this robot is able to place the trades in different directions during one trading session. So let's not waste any time and let's go into the market and let's try to bring it back. All right, so now it's time for us to start trading. So first thing that we're gonna do with the robot is go here and select the asset that we want to trade on. For example, let's not overthink it and start with Australian dollar, Swiss franc, OTC market. We're gonna do the $5 per trade, 15 seconds time frame AI analysis, because I think this kind of incorporates everything that you want. We're gonna do 5 trades. Our martingale trade is gonna be twice, so every single time we're gonna multiply our amount by 2 in case of a loss, and I don't want it to go over $40. So that's it. And then you start the robot, and there it is. It starts executing the trades in the market right here, and you can see that we have everything in here as well. We don't even need to be on pocket option, but I also want to show you that it's actually happening right now. If you go here, there it is. Our first trade goes in, $4.6 profit, and we are already starting to make money and climb back. And this is how you will be growing your account. That's very, very simple and doable. And right now you can do it fully automated. You don't have to be present during these trading sessions. The robot will do everything completely on its own. You just need to put in the settings that really, really fit you. And that's it. That's it. If you want to trade 15-second time frames, set the settings. If you want the robot to do 500 trades, do that. If you want the robot to do 5 trades, do that. If you want 5 martingale trades, or if you want 5x multiplier on your martingale trades, you can do that as well. If you want less than that, you have full control of how the robot will trade. All you need to do is do the settings. It will analyze the market. As you can see, it can change direction of a trade in case it spots a reversal right here. It has spotted that the price started kind of going down, so it placed a sell position, and that we see that there is a level right here. Unfortunately, we also caught a pretty nasty here rejection on this candle. But observe this, it adjusts to the market, the way the market it's reacting to what's going on in the market. And this is what separates this tool from Quant, because it's able to perform this analysis a second within second. And right now we're just really, really unlucky with these swings, but I believe that we will still be able to make our money here. And this is what it's all come down to. The tool is not gonna let you down. Of course, will you take losses sometimes? Yes, but what matters in the end is that it's always gonna pull through for you. And there it is. We finished our trading session with $20, and let's go to our next trading session, and let's go again and just continue grinding. Now we can adjust it a little bit. Let's make it $8, 2 martingales, and let's do $50 right there. And let's execute it on a different market right now. Australian dollar, United States dollar. Let's see if we have it here and if the payout is good. Yeah, 92%. We can definitely work with this. So we start the robot again and we let it run. And this is how you can really grind your account to a very, very formidable balance. You just let the robot do all of this for you while you're educating yourself within the tool or trading by yourself. Whatever it is, you can do you can just let the robot do the work for you. Just make sure to you prioritize what's needed for you. If you need education, do the education within the robot. If you want to trade with me, you can trade with me in the group and just make money in there. This tool will allow you to free up a lot of time and make money at the same time. Like, look at that. It snipes the reversals right in here. I actually believe that if you find the right settings for this tool, you can be undefeated. If you literally set the right settings for this tool and you just let it run, trust me, you can make a lot of money. So for example, I don't really like how it's going, so I'm gonna stop the robot right here. No more trades placed. We already secured a nice profit here, $22 of profit, and we can go to the next chart. You can see I have full control. I don't have to worry that the robot is gonna continue executing trades. Right here, I am again going in here and going to be placing my next trade. Even though it's showing right here a bit of an issue, right? It's showing that we're still continuing executing trades. We are already done, right? The trade is already done. It was just the last one that kind of lagged out. But Euro, Great Britain Pound, OTC, we're going back here and let's run it again. Same thing, boom, and we are going into the market, sell position, and we are in. This is what the future of trading looks like, and it's already here, guys. It's already here. You can even do one trade, stop the robot, find another chart, find another market, and do another trade. That's how nice and easy trading can be nowadays. We're gonna let this one run and see if we can snipe more trades. And you can see I'm not having my hands on the keyboard. I'm letting it run completely automated. I don't have to place my trades. Everything is done fully automated. And here we have our martingale trade coming in, $16 because it's multiplied the 8. And we are about to secure a nice win here on this trade because it's changed direction. We had a sell position, then we had a buy position, and now we're having a buy position again. And there you go. We got a nice and solid win on that one as well. And already I got $14 profit, so I can technically stop the robot again, get my profit, and move on to the next chart if I don't like the situation on this one. This is what full control looks like, and if you use it correctly, if you run the tool the right way, you can really make a lot of money with this. Just learn how to use it, adjust yourself to what's going on, and trust me, this will be a really nice experience for you. There you go. We actually clutched it up in the last seconds there, and we continue profiting. $20 again, and we already went from $73 to $100, and slowly but surely we are making it back little by little. And again, we got a win. And somebody asked me if I think that OTC market is manipulated. No, look at that. We're getting the profit in the very last seconds, so we're still able to secure the profit even when it's really close. It's all coming down to the last seconds, and we actually managing to get some nice wins in here. Another martingale trade, $16, and again the robot perfectly snipes kind of a reversal. There is a lot of volatility in the market, so this is dangerous, of course, but it's not stopping us, and we get another profitable trade. And the last signal has went through, and look at that, we are making massive amounts of money right here off of this trading session. And I think it bugged out here, but we made all the profit with these trades right there. Look at that. We are making $14 of this one, $7 here, $14. This is over $30. We are already doubling our balance with Nexus Vision. So we can stop the robot right now. We made way more than $20. It happens. We're still fixing a lot of things, but this tool is already suitable for usage. But now let's change the settings a little bit. We're still gonna go on Euro, Great Britain Pound, but change the amount to $20. We have expiry 15, and we're still going to use AI analysis, 5 trade count, multiplier 2, but let's take the max amount to 80. This is super risky, but I believe that we will be able to pull through. But remember, you want to place 1 to 3% per trade of your entire balance. This is extremely important, and this is gonna give you a bigger chance of winning. So there we go. We place a trade and we are starting off, and already we place a sell position, which seems a little bit crazy here, but maybe we will be able to bring it back. A lot of volatility right here, so this is really gonna come down to the wire, and we get $18 already. This is massive. And like I said, when you're risking too much, it can be really, really, really dangerous. Luckily for us, we got the first win, but like I said, we're placing $80 martingale trade. Oh my God, we sniped that in the last seconds. Let's go. Okay, this is good so far, but you can see the volatility is really high, and this is a lot of danger for our balance. Every single trade that doesn't go through, we multiply our balance by 2, by our trading amount by 2, which is super, super dangerous for the amount that we have. $80 is going to take us out almost completely out of the market and bring us back all the way to the start. And here it is. And we still sniped it. Oh my God, we are getting a lot of amazing signals right here and amazing execution from the robot. This is actually peak right there. This doesn't get better than that. All 5 trades go through without martingale trade, and we are making a $270 from $73. We made $271 within just a little bit. And let's go crazy for this last session again. You can reset it. You can see the real account has updated to $271 right there. And let's do it again. Let's just increase the amount. And I kind of like euro Great pound. Let's go crazy. Let's go crazy. We're going to do this. Change the amount to 2. Max is going to be 100. And it's going to only do 1 martingale trade, 5 trades, 15 seconds, and this is gonna be the last trade that we execute. So let's run it and let's see if we are able to make it or if we're gonna be taken out. Start robot. You got it, boys. $543 from $73. Look at that. We got $270 profit off of this session alone. And already from just $73, I brought myself to $543 within 1 trading session. Now, isn't this what trading can be for you? And of course, I will say it again for you guys, don't try to rush the process. Take it slow. This tool will take you to where you need to be, but you have to be methodical and you have to be taking the things slow. So if you want to trade with this tool, reach out to me. You see what it's capable of. You have full control. If you want to place assisted trading, you can do that as well, right? Select the asset that you want. It has real market in here as well. So if you want to hit the real market, just do that. If you want to trade manual, do that as well. You have access to the assets right here that you select and do the manual trading. You don't even have to be on pocket option. You want to learn, you have education inside of this tool. So do that as well. This all is available to you right now. Nexus Vision is already out. Some of the greatest feedback that we have ever received on the tool is coming in, and this is about this tool exactly. So check it out. Send me a message right now. Be one of the first people to try this tool out and make money with it. I appreciate you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And as always, guys, we are streaming on TikTok trading with all different tools, so check it out. I appreciate y'all, and I will catch you soon in the next one. Peace.